What's up, y'all? It's your girl Forever Lay, back with another video. Today we will be doing a sleek ponytail, puffball, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna do a side, kind of like a, what is it called? Like a half moon part. And let's get right into it. So first, I'm gonna put in my leave-in conditioner. Today's choice is Intense Moisture Bamboo and Coconut Milk by Tyler Wajid. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Tyler Wajid. Talia Wajid. This video is not sponsored by them. Wish I should sponsor me, you know. But yes, this is the leave-in today. I'm just gonna spray it throughout my hair. And yes, my hair was already damp. I did deep conditioning last night and I rinsed it out this morning. So it's just a little damp. It's been drying for quite some time now. I've been up, I was up early. But yeah, so I think the best way to do this style is on damp hair, honestly, because it's easier to, you know, comb through, finger detangle and all that. And with this style, you really need to make sure that you comb through it because you want it as flat and as sleek as possible. Ooh, got a little kinky kink in the back area. But okay, so I'm gonna start from the back and I'm gonna put the rest of my hair up in a ponytail. So now that I've got my section, I'm going to detangle it. And I'm also gonna add some oil to lock in the leave-in conditioner. It means do grow. Just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Just rub it on in there. Then I'm gonna take my Eco Gel, and if it can open, because my hand's greasy, it's slippery. Take about, this style also uses a lot of gel, y'all, a lot of gel. So I'm gonna start with this amount just for the roots of that section that I have. I'm gonna put it on in there. Hold on, let me tighten this little bun up because it's just in my way. Too many flyaways right now. It's getting in my way. There we go. Let's add a little bit more gel in there. And we're gonna comb it through. Brush it through, if you want to be exact. Brush it on in there. And actually, let me get another ponytail holder. Hold on one second. So I got another ponytail holder because every time I detangle the section and apply the gel and all of that, I'm gonna just add it to my ponytail holder. You see how sleek that is? Like that. So I'm gonna add it to my ponytail holder. And I'm gonna take some more hair from my bun. And I'm really just gonna just repeat this process. stretch. This is where you figure out how you want your part to be. And like I said in the beginning, I want like a moon, what is it, a moon shape? Or what else could you call that? Parentheses, whatever you want to call that. Whatever you want to call that, honestly. I wanted, or you could do a middle part, whatever part you want. This is just the part I want. I'm trying to see how I want it, what side I want it on. I think I want it on this side. And this is my favorite tool to use to part because it's so fine, so it gives you that really crisp looking part. Okay, I finally got my part. As you can see, this is the part I wanted. Now it's time to add the finishing touches and basically keep doing the same steps from the beginning. So here's to the finished look. I love it. Edges on fleek, ponytail on sleek. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And last but not least, peace, y'all.